Hello, grade 5. I'm just getting off work and going out of my office for you and your dad, and dad is there anyway. I could come to a party and go get it for dinner or whatever. And if we have to wait for us, I'll let them be good for sure. Tomorrow night to help with our new phone number denotes has to do this week for me to pick up something for dad to take. Did that make any sense? I hope it didn't. To be honest, I grabbed my iPad and you know how it suggests text. I just kept pushing the suggested word. Today we're going to look at monitoring comprehension and realizing when what we've read stops making sense. So monitoring comprehension and repairing understanding is being aware of your own thinking when you read. And it's knowing when you've stopped understanding. Sometimes we call being aware of our thinking metacognition. So metacognition just means we think about the way we're thinking. Guys, I want you to be thinking about your thinking. Please be aware of your understanding. And please read Exodus chapter 20, verse 1 to 17, and Leviticus chapter 5, verse 14 to 19, and then go into OneNote and answer the questions. If you don't know the answers to the questions, it's your job to find out. Okay, it's your job to try and repair that understanding.